If he actually did that, imagine the position of Trump official Kingfisher Halloween human costume bird animal easy DIY gift shirt supporters who have lost family to the virus. My understanding is that outside of a trial, it can only be used for compassionate uses, as in a life-threatening situation. Those rules are for regular people. They will give the president anything that is safe that might help even the slightest bit. Exactly. People are over. Official Kingfisher Halloween human costume bird animal easy DIY gift shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie. Yeah, same as being preemptively moved to ICU facilities so that the second he might need it, it's there without delay. People made this big fuss over Johnson being moved, but there was a chance that he wouldn't need it. This might be a dumb question, but isn't it risky for elderly official Kingfisher Halloween human costume bird animal easy DIY gift shirts people to be in the hospital in general? So many people die from other product.